Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is the Tacoma, and you're probably wondering, why didn't this guy wash it? Well, it's not about what's on the outside. Actually, it's about what's on the inside. Let's take a look. Yeah! So today's video is about the EKR seat covers. I'm not even going to waste my time on the rest of it. And as you already know, I hate this even though it matches my Kawasaki. But this is what we got from EKR, and this is a custom red seat cover with custom red piping, and I absolutely love it. Guys, the fit on this is really nice. And I do have to admit something, in fairness to EKR, this seat cover actually fits a lot better when you use the tool that's provided. I used my stubby little fingers to try to insert the fabric in the gap, because this is a really tight fit, and it fits nicely. Let's just take a look. It fits nicely, very snug to the OEM fit. However, when you're running the fabric basically through the gap in the seat that comes out here and trying to pull it tight, it's really hard to get it through, and the gap is about this much, and my fingers are, well, much more than that. So the problem was, being a typical guy, I didn't even notice this tool until afterwards. Now, this would have made my install a lot quicker. It took 2 hours to put on these seat covers, the headrests, and do the back, which isn't bad, but this tool would have made this a 1 hour job. I honestly do believe so. I like these, I really do. This full fabric, pleather, leather. The only gripe I have with it is a few of their cutouts, and it probably would line up if I pulled it down, although it seems to be on there fine. But this is kind of trash. You know, whoever cut that out, they really didn't do a good job. So anyway, it's decent. I like the way it goes all the way around. It fits well, and it adds a nice little bit of padding to your seat that makes you a little bit more comfortable. Now, I think with time, or maybe an iron, some of these creases will come out from shipping. I didn't bother trying to take care of them. I literally just threw them on because I was excited. And yeah, that's our newest update on the truck. So that's our truck. That's where it sits at the moment. Really happy with it, except for the fact that I need to wash it, and I do love the red seat covers. So let us know down in the comments, what would you do next? Let's keep it short, guys. That's it for today's video and our stupid auto lock. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now. Yeah.